Hi guys, it's me and Rose back from the video. Today we're going to be doing a wait, before we even say anything, let's just say
link in description.
For this video, the AirPods video, the i7S video, make sure to check that out. We're going to leave it in the description, like she just said. But we need to explain something first. Intro. With the intro, we can't upload on our phone because we have no storage, so we upload it on PC. We're doing it on the PC now, so
YouTube.
If you have any questions about that, you've got it from us right now.
Sorry, it's lagging.
Okay, let's just stop the sad talk.
Let's just
get to the exciting part. We didn't Okay, we did not even expect this. One sec. Hello, sorry guys, we're back. We just had to go and get it. We wasn't even expecting anything today.
We were expecting no parcels.
We were expecting it either tomorrow or in 10 days, but obviously
gardening tours. We thought it was that.
We got this. My Explorer. I've been wanting for like 2 weeks, 4 weeks.
Let's explain everything.
Every single one. Alright, so you start off. You've got the Gibson Pure neck, and then you come down. You've got your 5 different frets, and obviously they're very nice to press, like satisfying. And then you got the spin neck to button mash. And you come down here. We put the stickers on, like
yeah, because there were stick marks. It looked
not on the front, but we'll show you on the back. It's very bad. We put the stickers on because it was just white enough for why we couldn't put stickers on. I bought stickers for like £5.
Yeah, this is one of them.
Yeah, it's on my phone. So I bought like 100 stickers for £5 on eBay. I bought this from eBay. It's decent, and like what Rosie just said, look on the back. We put these stickers on. It's not that bad, but you have like some like sticker marks that someone else has peeled off, which looks kind of terrible. And you've got your normal thing, and then another
these
thing.
are the fake thingies.
Yeah, fake.
Whatever.
Yeah. Ah. Jeez, it's actually
could break.
Yeah. Okay.
Keep it steady. There. Sorry, guys.
Okay. Basically, what I need to explain to you guys is, I've been trying to explain this to someone. This doesn't come with the guitar, but it came with ours because we got lucky because they said USB is included. But if it doesn't say USB included, you only get this, like this.
It's like
that won't plug into your PC or anything. So you'll have to get one of these for Amazon for £3.
Or if you already have one.
Yeah.
It's £2.50.
It's £2.50 for these, or we just got them for free. These are from Amazon Xbox 360 extension cables. I think it's an extension cable. I forgot the name.
About that.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you can
so you just plug it in here, and then you plug it into a PC. You might hear the noise right now. Wait. You might hear this noise in a minute. 3, 2, 1. Wait. No.
3, 2, 1.
No.
It's not plugging in. Sorry.
3, 2. You might have heard that. You might have heard that. And then you put it in.
It's scary.
Alright, so coming over here, we've got to explain these parts. So you got the strum mark.
And these are the buttons.
We already explained that.
Yeah.
And then you got the whammy ball, which you
don't put it back
like this, because it'll break it and you'll have a broken whammy bar. And I'm not sure if there's any way to replace it.
Or no.
And then over here you've got some mini buttons. You've got the start button, you've got the back button, and then you've got the D-pad, and you've got the 360 button over here. 360 button over here, and over here and then what is there else to explain? Oh yeah. Oh, sorry, I keep getting it. Alright, this is the camera focus.
And you can plug your...
It has a phone, and you can plug your earphones in. There's no way if you have like AirPods or i7s to plug it in. It's not Bluetooth.
We have.
And there's nothing else to explain.
Have we explained about the AirPods?
Yeah, intro. We know we've explained that. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button and leave a like in the description below.
And subscribe and ring the post notification bells.
So you get notified whenever we make a new video. So without further ado, bye.
Bye.